What does the perfect shot sound like?
Perfect sound is like a thudding sound that you hit where you just know it's like hitting a beautiful chord on a guitar. It's all magic and you just watch it go right by your opponent. A lot of players, myself included, think it is important to get the sound and a little better idea of what their opponent's going to be doing. So one of the reasons why I like it to be quiet during the point and loud after is for the reason that you've just asked, to be able to hear the sound, pick it up, and maybe give you a better chance to hit a better shot.